These little wooden items are very handy, so pick some of them up at your local craft store if you can, and I will show you why they are so handy coming up in this video. I will be putting something for Valentine's here. As you can see, I still have winter decor. So I pretty much transitioned from Christmas decorations and straight into winter decor, except this has been in the bathroom and I have not changed it out yet. Obviously these need to get sorted and put inside those little tubs. These are just little storage tubs. They're really nice for band-aids, and I've labeled them, and they're from Dollar Tree, and so are the labels. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to put a really quick little thing for Valentine's Day right there and store that away. Initially I was going to swap out these poinsettias, but I think I'm just going to leave this as is for Christmas, so it can be a nice and easy grab and go decoration. There's a lot of blue in my house, so it just really lends itself nicely to winter decor, and I didn't realize how many snowflakes I collect. But yeah, this is the bathroom. And like I said, it's decorated for winter. So this will get a nice little swap out for Valentine's Day. I think these are large. I'm really not sure. When you have kids and they scrape their knees, these are the good ones to have. They're gonna go in the extra large bin here. Making sure. Previously had the Next Care, but now I'm gonna fill them with the Band-Aid brand as well. My son just fell. He also goes through a lot of Band-Aids, but that is how I stock the medicine cabinet. Band-Aids, first aid, anything else we need, liquid bandage, and this is actually more kind of cat first aid. It comes in really useful, and I like it because it stays organized. This is how the cashier wrapped my vase. Not the best wrapping, but I'll show you which vase I got in just a second. Over here, I had my Christmas decorations, and I sometimes reuse this for Valentine's. But I had a pair of these and one broke, so I used it as a centerpiece this year. Any Christmas decorations got taken down, but the deers got left up, and then I was able to get some winter picks. And then this is what I have for Christmas. And there's 3 new deer up there. Go ahead and comment below if you know which ones are new. But so this is all winter decor, so I don't have to take it down after Christmas time. Nice and easy. And then I hung up these popsicle snowflakes. I hung these up after Christmas. I had to paint them. I painted them white and then hung them up there. This is the winter tree. And I was able to find these on Walmart's website. They came as a pack of 12. And I ordered this online, the snowman ribbon. I was able to dangle that 3 times. I just had a guess on how long to make it. This was swapped out for winter. I bought these for Christmas this year. They're really beautiful white poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. The polar bear family is from Hobby Lobby as well. And I was able to get 1 sprig to put that together and make that cute little arrangement on top of my bookcase. So I've got my winter decorations, and then all of these are handmade snowflakes. So this is supposed to be a DIY tree. I wanted it to be really easy and handmade. So I made all of these little snowflakes out of paper towel rolls that I painted, and then I dipped into glitter. I think it came out really cute. All right. All of the ornaments I basically just put on the front of the tree, so there's nothing in the back. There's different modes for the lights. However, you can't choose the speed. It alternates from slow to fast. I'm really pleased with the lights though. They're a nice size. And I ended up, I think, only using 2 strings, so it just made it around. So that is the winter tree. And it's February the 6th, and I don't want to take it down. Alrighty, let's get to the Valentine's Day decoration. I've got to put this away, but the box was hard to get to. And then this is going to be a new feature wall project. That's going to go up over this side table / filing cabinet. I will be so happy when this wall is finally painted and finished. Let's see if I can find the flowers. I think they're up here. This closet is the storage place for basically my decorations and ornaments, and then the little side part is his. Oh. See, that's how this was wrapped. This is what I found at Hobby Lobby to make the floral arrangement. I just wanted like a simple pink vase that was medium in size, nothing smaller than this for sure. And this week was wall decor, not table decor. So I got lucky and this was on sale, staring at me in the face. It's $3.49, so it's not something I ordinarily would have chosen for myself. I probably would have gone with something a little more decorative and semi-transparent, but nothing was as big as this that was pink either, so it just kind of felt like it was meant to be. So I grabbed this. I had gotten the flowers previously because I knew I wanted to do a small arrangement for Valentine's Day, and I got these as like a side accent. I went with the hydrangea, which I picked up for half off. So all in all, this was $13, and these for a set of 2, both of these are $4. So half off, I ended up, spending, what is that? It's under $20 to make this little centerpiece, and it's going to be super easy because all I'm going to do is get my wire cutters and just put them in there. So this will be the easiest floral arrangement. So I'll go do that and get my floral cutters, and then just swap out the decoration in the bathroom with the new decoration. Got this at Hobby Lobby to maybe go sit in front of this. So you'll see that at the end as well. I'll get that fixed when I get into the bathroom. If you're curious, these are the new cat feeders that I got. I got these so that the dog will stay out of the cat food because I was having such an issue with Jordy. Thus, now I can feed Jordy and the cats all in the same place. I got the dog food and the cat food together, and all their bowls are in this corner, where before I had the cat food in the other room, and I basically had it barricaded so that Jordy couldn't get to it, because I discovered he wasn't eating his food, and the reason was because he was constantly eating all of the leftover food that the cats weren't eating. So that's what those are, in case you were wondering. So there it is, just something cute to look at as you walk in. Can't believe I found that on sale for $3.50. That was a really good find. You don't have to change out everything. It's not necessary, and it's such a quick holiday. It comes and goes so fast, so just keeping it simple sometimes is the best thing to do. This doesn't have to go in a bathroom. It will look good also in an entryway. So you could use it on any little table, but if you want the flowers to stay in place, then you'll have to get one of those foam floral blocks, and that'll hold the flowers together so they don't just fall out of the vase. Pick some of these up the next time you're out at a craft store, or if you have a Hobby Lobby. They come in very handy for decorating for the holiday. So I couldn't take it, and I swapped it out for just what I had on hand. Just some everyday decorations that at least don't clash too much with the Valentine's Day decoration. I was wiping the dust with my finger, and there was a piece of broken glass in here that I didn't know was in there. I got my finger in here under my son's bed is what I have for Valentine's. So I'm gonna go through this and see what I can pull out to decorate. In here, it looks like I have some handmade hearts, the hearts from last year, and some picks, a table runner, so I'll be pulling that out. I'm just going to try to do something in about 30 minutes and see what I can do. I'm not too happy with these magnetic eyelashes. They're on sale, and I keep having to fix them. I'm having issues. I decided not to fuss with them anymore, so I just removed my eye makeup. So I didn't want to keep reapplying them, so I said enough with it, and no makeup today. I remember these. I had these for my tiered tray. Happily ever after. Can you smell it? Or also for the tiered tray, $1. These were things that I picked up and got some cardstock for and just put it in the back. I want to say you could get this in the craft section at Walmart or at Hobby Lobby if you want to try to get some little picture frames. They have little stands. They come with these wooden pegs to stick in them so that they stand up. The rest is all for St. Patty's Day, so I'll be putting those back. Can't wait to do St. Patty's Day. I forgot how much cute stuff I had in here. Let's start with the table runner. This is the gnome table runner that I ordered off of Amazon. So this is what I have for the table so far. These little jars, I believe, are from Hobby Lobby, and then I picked up the heart candies. This is in the glass section, and then the candies were closer to the front. The Cupid Express guy was from Hobby Lobby as well. This was from Hobby Lobby, and then the sprinkles I got at Walmart. That was from Target, possibly from Target. These pokes are from Hobby Lobby. So behind me I have some paint swatches. I'd like to paint this room. I just find it really hard to pick paint colors because usually I'm looking on my phone, and it's just really hard to look at the phone and find a paint color. I'm leaning towards the one that is above my head. I already ruled out the third choice, so I didn't bother painting in that middle square. I like this one, but it's a little too dark. So once we get this painted, I am going to be hanging those up over the filing cabinet. So when that's complete, I'm hoping that'll turn out really nice and look really good. I'm sorry I didn't do like a wintry video or even a Christmas one, because it just felt like it would have been pretty much the same as what I did last year. I made a few changes and I got a few more pokes for my Christmas tree. I basically kept all the ornaments the same, but this year I just wanted to add in more pokes for it. So my son's birthday is on the 10th, which is this Friday. So he likes blue. I've always dressed him in blue. So I'm going to get some fun metallic-y blue and silver balloons and string those up like I always do for birthdays. And it's more fitting with the winter decor being blue and white. So I think it'll look good. I'll leave it up through the weekend and just won't fuss with it. And then I'll start taking it down. Quick sidebar, guys, I ended up getting these happy birthday balloons from Dollar Tree, and then I brought the latex balloons to Publix and had her fill those up for me, and she said they would only last for about a day, and indeed they did. But instead of stringing the balloons up like I normally do, this is what I did for Ryland's birthday, so I could get a birthday picture with him. And then Remy liked the balloons too. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to get notified when I do make more videos. And until next time, have a wonderful day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Here's Bossy. He's such a little guy. This is the final edit. Put this guy in the front.